a burn over, me pot a boil over. Me saltfish a boil over. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now you don't know, so it's a different day, so it's a different vlog. Right now we're there, we have nice in that place. I don't know if you can see him, but this is what I'm soon going to show you nice. We're there, today, I'm going to show what I want for today. The man blowing that one with bass up. I'm showing what I want. Nice. Come here, come losing earrings so quick in that chair. And blue, now I give him no space. Blue, inside.
Just dip on myself.
You're looking at the corner there?
But I say, I know, there's some man too,
You're not too what?
Yeah,
you know, blood shot me pot a burn over, me pot a boil over. Me saltfish a boil over. How will you reach over that so quick? Get off his door! You're reach quick. You're reach quick, it's like a burn already. Yo, we want like saltfish boil over and stove burn up. Jesus Christ. Lord God. Who is stove? I saltfish boil over dog, you know, so saltfish over boil. Jesus Christ, it's still turning. Me have to go wet this. So we're back again. You don't know, say saltfish the right there, so I'm going to make some callaloo in the morning, yeah? I blend up some ginger and some garlic together and I boil up that. So tea I go great. You don't know where this boy I walk with blue go.
There's the man in this dog. Say, hold it.
Yo, the man eagle, you know, no blue, you know. Yo, he not gonna listen, you know, bring him back. Watch blue. Blue now listen to him. Man can't control blue. You want a little chance you get to bring him on the road, you can't control about dog. You don't find the ears ring.
Frame. Ears ring gone.
Well, that's what the frame you are, you can drop asleep. The one the frame you drop asleep.
Frame me. This is money like me asleep and I me at all. Oh. Photoshop get better and better, you know. I know what I mean.
Who we have in the building? Shane, aka Mr. Controversy. You know what I mean? Shane forward from New York. Who never know? Shane an artist too. Shane a poet. Shane an activist. Shane a everything.
Everything.
Basically.
Everything.
Mentor.
Everything.
Everything. Yes.
Yes.
Musician.
Everything.
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 Yes.
Coordinator.
Yes.
Everything.
Get it. Alright. You feel like the part don't do it.
Creator.
Share. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything.
Nice. Yeah. Durag. Yo, from morning nice I want tea right there, so I drink. And can't finish it. Yo, share no. Food don't show me food.
Yeah.
We do plantain. Only can do plantain with the bread. And then
To show the bread, there ain't no regular bread.
cabbage. Yo, they know sardine bread that me buy 12 grain.
Like
You're lucky. Where do me buy 15 grain me buy where do when me I buy?
15 grand.
12 that. 15 grain no I think. Watch out. My you know if you drink Cersei? You ever drink Cersei tea before? That's why you're run good dog. She's fine.
Excuse my hair, I just came out of the shower, you feel me?
Sure,
Show my hair again, well, we have to improvise.
Improvise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now we have some of the famous culinary.
Yes.
We're in a famous kitchen.
Yes.
Right now. My gosh.
Alright.
My gosh.
Like, next our festival.
Festival in the morning, yeah. What do this, brother, you there?
It's just too high. He can't even finish his tea. Man can finish food, but can't finish tea.
Make some fritters for one, you have plantain right there, some bread right there, so. What kind of fritters you want? You can make fritters, you want to see nobody make plantain fritters? Yo, look what I nearly put butter in a callaloo. Nearly mash up your ass, mate.
Yo, I catch him. Wait, the man took out the butter, man. As he's washing as he's washing the spoon, I say, yo.
Butter vegan.
What are you talking about? That's how you know he know nothing about nothing.
In my a ballad.
Yeah, in yam food.
A ballad.
Milk in a butter?
What?
Milk in a butter?
What's butter made from?
Yo, the food bad. Nah, right on. Callaloo just. Yo, no, you see anybody go eat the kind of bread there?
Look, I can't just go healthy sort of broke over that. I don't care, man. Man, lie?
The man say, nah, eat no sitting the bread in there, I'm gonna eat the whole wheat bread. No, I'm gonna eat regular bread.
Yo, the man.
First of all, shit. Who saying that touch the white bread then? That two, not a four slices that you're about for two.
No, I said I was
Four.
that white bread.
Four, and I wanted that one. Four. And I wanted that one.
Supermarket bread was the potato bread.
Potato bread.
This is hard dough bread.
Hard dough,
This is
authentic.
totally different. I don't even need 12 grain once I see hard dough. Pick up this now.
Hell no. Yo, your turn is not believing it, dog. What you do not kind of
Yo, if you let go there and they can't left you, you know. Oh, you take it out and out, John. Don't kick it up, you know. If you ever kick it up, you're gone. Yo, turn your feet, man.
Yeah. You know if you do that, when you have party, make sure you
Yo,
find something.
Jesus Christ.
It's not, you know, if you still remember.
Watch out. We can't hear you. Oh, your mom put that in the door, man. Yo, you can't even laugh at John Bishop. Yo, dog. Black girls right now. If you ever know. You don't want to eat rice? That to know what I see. That to know what I see. Yo, watch out. Yeah, this one, yeah. What are we going to do? Boys and girls. Right about now we're there, you know what I mean? Deal with some salmon, some jerk salmon mixed up with some special, you know? Some special, you know them one, yeah. The recipe are different. And salmon are different. Shane forward, come vlog it now. I don't know, we have a gravy as a bubble. Gravy as a bubble. Rice and peas. Food ready long time, bro.
Alright, so. Alright.
So nice is here. Nice I watch power around 3 hours now. I'll know you can't watch. Shane is in the building. Shane's supposed to be vlogging. Yo, Shane, shout out your page where people can find you right
Follow
now.
me at Controversy on every platform.
Every platform?
Every single platform, especially Instagram. KONTRAVASY. Controversy. Follow everything. I got some new music. I do got new music, but I'm looking at this food right
Food
now.
body.
Yo, this is like the restaurant food.
Bad man.
You know when food is made with love?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A different type of food,
You
man.
can tell by the coding. Just look at the coding. Look at the sauce.
Yeah.
Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. You see how it's glistening? Look at the crease. You see the crease? Look. You see the crease? Look at the crease. The crease. This is how you know when food is cooked with love. You see it? Come on. Come on. I'm just waiting for the gravy to finish so I could just... Come on. Look at this nigga. This nigga, food done. Food.
Pop off your headphone off my ears. Yo! Yeah, you know?
Top striker.
Nice Tilbex.
So guys, the food is finished.
Chava's finally reaching. Chava's in the garage because
I can't show my face.
Gravy.
The swelling is going down. Food is finished, you know. Watch your man, be a fool. Watch now. Everybody on food now.
Check the chef. Check the chef. And that's not chicken, people. That's not chicken.
Just, over here, say, yo, we can see the good part right there, sir. Over here, sir. Okay, man, right there, sir.
Let me see.
Never angles them, man. Never angles them, man. Watch your man.
Green Star?
Watch your man. Yeah, man.
so right about now, see my food, yeah, right now. We said to our colleague now, see him.
You kidding, right?
You see a base steam a beat off of this, you know? Base steam a beat off of this. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We have meds in the building over there. You know what I mean? A meds team, nice to try use some meds, kind of set it up. You play a whole heap of game before this. Jake's in the building right there, and I'm New York fitted ready for kill the New Yorker. Again? How much the first one go, Jakes? How much the first one go? How much the first one go?
No, I thought the first one. First one got 4-3.
Oh, first one at 4-3.
How much the second one?
That next one was 9-1.
9-1? Your career not good again. What you feel for career then? And he still want to play. Shane, you want to tell them what happened to you?
Yeah, I lost 7-year-old.
Meds. Meds a laugh, dog.
7-year-old. Kishan, big up yourself.
Yeah.
What's your name, Kishan?
Yeah, man, Kishan.
Yeah, Kishan, big up yourself.
Give him a 2-0.
Yeah.
Clean sheet.
Yeah.
Yo, when
You never expect it.
Yo, kids play video games. I'm not gonna put a glass on. The man showed me moves.
Wow.
Kids say play video games.
Yeah.
Alright, nice game this all going. You know what I mean? I'm editing the vlog right now. Our time. When you see our time, on Monday. And at 2:15 AM right now. You want to laugh? You don't feel like it?
Sometimes when I do some hours and you feel like
You don't feel like it's like, you don't feel so. Feeling it there?
No.
Feel early?
It's true, we sleep earlier.
At that?
Yeah.
At that? Because we sleep early and then wake up and cook food. Yeah man, we do a vlog there.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in the